Hey guys, this is a quick video to answer two of the most important questions about my new vitamin C serum, CLARO QUE C. First question is, what does vitamin C do for your skin? Vitamin C is one of the most studied and clinically proven ingredients in skincare. It's a powerful antioxidant, so not only does it help even out your skin tone, it helps fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. There are many forms of vitamin C on the market today. I chose to work with one of the most stable forms and really high quality. It's called tetrahexyldecyl, also known as THD. It is a very powerful ingredient, so if you have sensitive skin, make sure you apply a little bit and build depending on how your skin responds. Second question is, how do I apply the product? So I typically use it in my morning routine. I wash my face, apply my serum, and then make sure to apply a good sunscreen. All right, let's talk about the texture. It's amazing, lightweight and not sticky at all. It has a milky texture with a little bit of body, and then upon application, it has a beautiful break that just melts into the skin. And don't worry, I tested the formula to make sure that it wears beautifully under makeup. So will this product deliver bright, glowy, and even skin tone? Claro que sí.